playing its construction. Use victory as quickly as possible. Please wait a bit longer, okay? Oh, hey, my mic was on back. This was on backwards. Whoops. Anyway, yeah. I'm gonna have to make remakes of both. I'm gonna make remakes of both Mega Man 0 and Mega Man 02 soon. They'll be cut into. I'm gonna try and get them into as little videos as possible, though. This time you'll know what parts there are. Sorry about that last time. Submission. Especially least here, one of them. I really hate this guy's. I'll show you why. Yes, I accept. So now she gets off, which 60% she does. Deleted. That's right. 0, be careful. Start reading. Start relative to begin pursuit. Let's roll. There, that's what. I think your game. You think you do, right? The other first. That noise, I hate it. Man, it's moving slow. Those are switches that lower the wire levels since they like 2 chunks of ice in the arm. If I didn't have to talk to you, if I had to talk, I would not be listening. There will be a part in this game where I have to deactivate my cheats for a short time, because the game will prevent you from proceeding. Cheats, but don't get your hopes up, pal. Your hopes up, my hopes up. I'm really actually quite glad you're actually watching this. I didn't think really. I was hoping these would get some good views and all. But now it's time to talk to you about what happened to Dr. Wheel. He was given a fate worse than death. Oh, Dark Elf. Stop it! Like that would harm her. No. Uh-oh. Just killed everything too. Here, this guy first. I have a guide for all but the first. I have a guide for 2 of the games. A guide for this one and Mega Man 02, but not Mega Man 04. I can't find a guide for Mega Man 0. I'm really important to playing 0 more them. Just cut him up. So yeah, the Z-Saber is actually 0 spirit weapon. Normally, I've been just far away, but there's the mech again. Yep, I've joined the annoying sound again. Ugh. I have no clue what that does. But I think he's trying to destroy them. I think there might be the very mechs that really do blow the wire. And he destroys them. See, like this one's been destroyed already, see? Here's one. Here we go. He'll make the next when he attacks, too. What a pain you are. I thought you'd be so scared than that. What? You? Really? You're smaller than I am. No names. I am Java and our beta. My irritable. And irritating. Hear me. Why is this happening to me? That's rank 2, 1. So completed. Sorry, you're still alive too in the dark elf. The dark elf is too fast and we lost sight of it. I see him there again, but there's no reading anywhere in the vicinity. I know apologies, not if I'm truly sorry, Zero. See you.